Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS IAM Identity Center for secure user provisioning, beginner guide step by step clearly. Log in to your AWS account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the console. Type in IAM Identity Center and select it from the drop-down menu. You will be directed to the IAM Identity Center dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the option to get started or enable the service. Click on that option to begin the subscription process. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your IAM Identity Center. You will need to configure the settings for user access and group management. Select the appropriate user directory if prompted. Next, choose the identity source that fits your organization's needs. You can opt for AWS Managed Microsoft AD, your existing Microsoft Active Directory, or other directory services. Once the identity source is selected, set up your user and group access. Define permissions for the users and groups as per your organizational policies. After configuring user access, proceed to set up application integrations. Select the applications you want to integrate with IAM Identity Center. You can choose from AWS applications or third-party applications available in the directory. Follow the steps to configure each application's access settings. Review all configurations to ensure they align with your security requirements. If everything looks good, finalize the setup by confirming your settings. Once confirmed, IAM Identity Center is activated for secure user provisioning. You can now manage user access and permissions through the IAM Identity Center dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.